Let me see now. Which train do I need to get on?
Excuse me. Do you need any help?
Yes, I want to go to Leaning Tower of Pisa, but I'm really lost. This is my first visit to Italy, so I have no idea on how to ride the trains.
First, you need to buy a ticket to your destination. From here, it's €3.
€3. Okay.
Then, get on the Rome subway line at platform number 5.
Number 5, all right. Oh, and how often do the trains come around this time of day?
Usually, they come about every 5 minutes or so.
All right. And where do I get off the train?
Get off at Pisa Centrale Station, 4 stops from here. The sign at the station is written in English, so you'll be able to read it.
4 stops. Got it. Thanks for your help. By the way, I'm Harry. It's a pleasure to meet you.
My name is Lisa. It's nice to meet you. I'm Italian. Where are you from?
Well, originally I'm from Canada, but we moved to the United States when I was about 9 years old. My parents now live in Canada.
What state are you from?
I'm from California.
What city are you from?
Los Angeles.
Where are some of the places you've lived?
Mostly, we were overseas. We spent 10 years in England, Denmark and Beijing, China, and then, we were transferred back to the United States 5 years ago.
It sounds like you've had an interesting life. What do you do for a living?
I work in a software company. What do you do now?
I'm a university student.
Oh really? What are you studying?
I'm majoring in physics.
What school are you in?
I have been studying at the European University of Rome. How are you today?
I'm fine. How about you?
Not too bad. The weather is great, isn't it?
Yes. It's absolutely beautiful today.
I wish it was like this more frequently.
Me too.
What is the weather like in Los Angeles?
Weather in Los Angeles is usually hot in the summer and mild in the winter. It never really gets that cold.
What is your favorite season of the year?
My favorite season of the year is spring. It's not too cold and the anticipation of a good summer puts me in a good mood. How is your day going?
I'm enjoying the beautiful weather without any worries in the world.
Do you know what the weather is going to be like tomorrow?
It's supposed to be the same as today. I don't think the weather will change much for the next week or so.
That's great.
Why are you so happy? Do you have anything planned?
Yeah, I'm going to the Colosseum and the Arch of Constantine this weekend, so I was hoping for good weather.
Have you ever traveled to Africa? If yes, what country was it?
Yes, I have. I traveled to Egypt last year with my family.
Where is that country located?
Egypt is located in northeast Africa.
What is it famous for?
Egypt is known for its ancient monuments, such as the Sphinx and the pyramids.
What are the special food and drinks of that country?
There are many. They are known for bread, vegetarian dishes, cheese, and many beverages.
What do you like about that country?
I like the ancient and cultural.
How many citizens are there in that country?
The current population of Egypt was over 101 million in 2020, which accounts for 1.31% of the total world population.
What language do people there speak?
The national language is Arabic.
You have a lot of knowledge to offer other people. Did you have any problems finding this place?
I didn't have any problems. I found directions on the internet, so it was pretty easy to find. However, the traffic was not that great.
Traffic is never good around here.
I agree. It would be great if there was a bus that went through here.
That would be so great. I would definitely take the bus if they had it.
The bus is great because you can read a book or get a little rest instead of having to fight the traffic.
Very true. What type of movies do you like?
I like all sorts of movies, primarily romantic and science fiction.
That's an interesting combination. How about adventure movies?
Adventure and horror are the two types of movies I don't care for.
Why don't you like horror? They're entertaining.
Some are entertaining, but I find most of them stupid. For example, I don't understand why a person always goes into the house alone when something is suspicious.
I know what you mean. But it's just a movie. They need for the characters to do that. Well, I know you're busy, so I don't want to keep you.
That's okay. Nice talking to you.
I hope to see you again. Bye.
Me too, bye.